Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Hussein. And guys, today, as you know, now just because Olivia and Ben came to our family, now they're members of our family, some of my content will be of them, but not all of it. Guys, so today I'm going to be playing both of the parrots. I'm gonna be playing with Ben and Olivia by myself. So as you see, let's just get. No, don't fly. It's fine. You see? They're looking at the camera like, what? I swear that's them. Here, hi, guys. Oh, Green just pooped on my gloves. Yeah, that there, they pooped. Oh, disgusting. Green just pooped, man. That's disgusting. Green pooped over here. How much times does he have to do that, man? You're going, Nima. How you doing there, Green? Oh, I just did something wrong. I am so... No way Olivia's actually doing that. Olivia's holding the gloves on. Come here, Olivia. Yes, guys, so... It's fun for me to playing by myself without Hassan. It is kind of fun, not to be honest. So hi to the camera, Olivia. Green, he just wants to fly, man. Like, you can't fly. I owned you now. You can't fly, alright? Look. Guys, yes, I didn't go to school. Because you see, I'm going to a new school. AIA. So today was the orientation day, so I went there. Green just doesn't know what to do, man. No kidding. Oh, Green's panicking. No, don't come, please don't come. You might poop, so like, I don't want that to happen. Why do you want to come up so much? You're actually, Olivia wants to come on my hand. Okay, please stay away. COVID still exists. Alright, Olivia? Okay, she's getting mad at me talking about COVID. Olivia, listen to me. COVID still exists, okay? So don't get on my clothes, alright? There's gonna be germs, alright? Alright? Okay, good girl. Man, she got angry this year. Almost tried to fly away. What the hell are they doing? Here. Guys, you see, I'm not hurting the parrots. Don't worry, because I'm not. Hi. Guys, I'm running out of ideas of which videos to record. So can you guys please tell me in the comments which video to record? Like Olivia, when she has nothing to do, she just eats everything. Like, she tries to buy it. Say hi, Olivia. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Look at the camera. She won't look at the camera now. Green, what's up with you, man? You keep moving so much. Disgusting! No, get that out! Get that out! Disgusting! Get that out! Yeah, good job. Olivia, she's eating poop. She's eating her own poop. Ugh, disgusting. I had to take it off, man. Now both of them are biting my gloves. You guys, you see, I'm wearing them because like when they climb, they need to use their mouth. And then they bite. And I do not like them biting. Yeah, you get on this video. The parrots seriously don't know what to do. Yeah! I think Olivia's hungry. Let me go put her in the cage and see if she eats the food or not. Let's go put her. And hopefully Green doesn't jump off. Green, I'm watching you. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. This one. Will she eat that? Will she? No, she doesn't. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Let's see if she eats that. Does she want to eat it? Yeah, guys, I think it's time for them to eat. They need to have their lunch or their breakfast. Yeah, eat. I'll just put you wherever you want. Right. Guys, it's time for them to go inside. Guys, that's it. I know there's nothing like about this video, what to do or what's about it. It's just that me playing with the parrots on my own. Guys, that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Please make sure to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out and have a good day.